Hello students, in this video we discussed about rectangular component of vector. So if we have a vector and this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. Clear? If we have a vector, then projection of A along x-axis is known as horizontal component and projection of A along y-axis is known as vertical component. Clear? So in this triangle OPM, the value of OM is equals to A cos theta and the value of PM is equals to A sin theta. So the horizontal component is equals to OM, horizontal component is equals to OM, which is equals to A cos theta. So this is our horizontal component and vertical component is equals to PM. This means vertical component AY is equals to A sin theta. Clear? Now we discuss about dot or scalar product of two vectors. Thus, what is the dot product of two vectors? If the multiplication of two vectors is a scalar, then the product is known as dot product or scalar product. Okay? Or we can represent dot product as if we have two vectors A vector and B vector, then the dot product between these two vectors A dot B is equals to magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta, where theta is the angle between vector A and B, where theta is the angle between vector A and B. Now there are some properties of dot product. So first property is A dot B is equals to B dot A. This means vector product is commutative. If we change the position of vector, then the result remains unchanged. This means A dot B is equals to B dot A. This is known as commutative property. Second, associative property. A dot B plus C is equals to A dot B plus A dot C. A dot B plus A dot C. Now, if theta is equals to 90 degree, this means the angle between A vector and B vector is equals to 90. Then cos 90 is equals to 0. So A dot B is equals to 0. Then A dot B is equals to 0. Clear? As we know, all the orthogonal unit vectors are perpendicular to each other. So I cap dot j cap, this means dot product or scalar product of I cap and j cap dot k cap and k cap dot I cap is also 0. It is also 0. Now, if theta is equals to 0, then cos 0 is equals to 1. If theta is equals to 0, then cos 0 is equals to 1. Clear? So, A dot B is equals to AB because cos 0 is equals to 1. So, A dot B is equals to AB. Clear? So, as we know that the angle between I cap and I cap is also 0, j cap and j cap is also 0, or similarly k cap and k cap is also 0. So, the value of I dot I, j dot k, j and j dot k is equals to 1. Clear? So, this is our dot product or this is the property of dot product. Clear?